Hello, good morning students. Today I am explaining types of rational number. In the previous classes you will be understood the definition of rational number. There are different type of rational number: positive rational number, negative rational number, zero rational number. Also we will be understanding the conversion of rational number into decimal number and decimal number into rational number. So first we will be knowing that types of rational number. The first types, terminating rational number. What is the meanings of terminating? The definition of terminating: after the long division, when remainder becomes zero is called terminating rational number. After the long division, when remainder becomes zero is called terminating rational number. Example: 17 upon 8, 13 upon 25, 19 upon 125, etc. One example is 17 upon 8, 13 upon 25, 19 upon 125, etc. The definition says that after the long division, when we divide by the denominator to the numerator, the remainder becomes zero is called terminating rational number. I am taking 17 upon 8. Here is the 17 divided by 8. Read the table. 8 2 ja 16. Subtract it. 1 is carry. Taking the decimal, place the 0. 8 1 ja 8. The remainder will be 2. Again placing 0. 8 2 ja 16. Here is the 4. Placing 0. 8 5 ja 40. The remainder will be 0. So it is the terminating rational number. So these are terminating rational number. Here is the denominator 8, the numerator is 17. These number are terminating rational number. Next, 13 upon 25. Here is the denominator is 25 divided to 13. 25 is the larger number or 13 is the smaller number. So first we take decimal 0 point, placing the 0. 25 5 ja 125. Here is the remainder 5, or here is the remainder 5. Again placing 0. 25 2 ja 50. The remainder will be 0. This is also terminating rational number. Third number, 19 upon 125. 19 divided by 125. Placing the 0 1 times 125 into 125. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Again taking 0. Here is the 0.1. Again taking 0. Read the table. 1 5 ja 5 times. 5 5 ja 25. 2 carry. 5 2 ja 10. To 12. 1 carry. 5 1 ja 5. 625. Here is the 5. 5 2 3. Again 4 to 2, again 0, 2 times, 250, the remainder will be 0. So we say that these rational number are terminating rational number. Now next is the non-terminating rational number. Second will be non-terminating repeating or recurring rational number. Here the three names: non-terminating, repeating or recurring rational number. The same definition but one differences. After the long division, when remainder becomes repeated, after the long division, when remainder becomes repeated, when we divided by the denominator to the numerator, the remainder continuous repeated is called non-terminating rational number. For example, 7/3, 13/9, 5/7, etc. First we examine that these are terminating or non-terminating. To divide it, 3 to 7, 3 2 ja 6, the remainder will become 1, placing the 0, here is the place 0, decimal placing 0, 3 3 ja 9, 1, again repeat 1, 3 3 ja 9, 1 repeat, continuous repeated remainder becomes repeated 1 1 1. So these number are 2.3 ... so on. So we can write 2.3, that means bar 3 is repeated in the quotient, 3 is repeated and remainder will be 1 repeated. Now next questions, 13/9, so divided by 9 to 13, 9 1 ja 9, 4 is carry, placing the 0, 9 4 ja 36, 4 carry, again 0, 9 4 ja 36, again carry, 4 is continuously repeated. So we write what is the value, equal to 1.4, 4 is repeated in the quotient, 4 is repeated. So we say that these are non-terminating, that means repeating rational number or recurring rational number. Similarly, 5/7 divided by 7 to 5, taking 0.77 ja 49, 1 is carry, placing 0, 7 1 ja 7, 3 placing 0, 7 4 ja 28, 2 carry, 0, 7 2 ja 14, 6 placing 0, 7 8 ja 56, 4 0, 7 5 ja 35, 5 0, 7 7 ja 49, again repeated, 7 1 ja 7, here the repeat is 0.71 4285 71, again repeated similarly, we can write 0.71 4285 0.71 4285 0.71 4285, after that repeated here is the remainder 40, here is the remainder 40, here is the 50, 50 always repeated, here is the 50, 50 is repeated. So these are non-terminating, placing the bar. So there are two definitions of different type of the rational number. One of them is terminating rational number and another is non-terminating rational number. Next topic is irrational number. What is the irrational number? To know that, what is the definition? The number which are not a perfect square, not a perfect cube, or not a rational number. The number which are not a perfect square, not a perfect cube, or not a rational number. In the both cases, non-terminating or repeating, not possible. Then the number are called irrational number. So first we define the number which are not a perfect square, not a perfect cube, not a perfect cube, or not a rational number. Either terminating or non-terminating. Is called irrational number. Example denoted by Q bar, denoted by Q bar. So we write the symbol of irrational number Q bar is equal to root 2. Root 2 is a not a perfect square. Here is the square root. We can write also the square root in the symbol 2. Here is the square root. We can write 3. This is also square root. This is also square root. Again 4, cubic root of 4, not a perfect cube. 4 is not a perfect cube. Comma pi. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. It is also irrational number. Also 0.2, 0, 20, 00, 2, 000 and so on. Here is the non-terminating or not repeating. We can write 0.2, here is the 20, again 2, 00, 2, 000. Similarly, we can write this is a non-terminating or not repeating. It is not a rational number. It is a irrational number. This is the definition of irrational number. Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.